Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make cowpeas raw banana coconut fry recipe. Traditional recipe from Kerala kitchen. Just require 30 minutes to make this tasty cowpeas recipe. Let's move to the video. In a grinder jar, take 3/4 cup of grated coconut. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 garlics. Grind it coarsely without adding water. Remove it into a bowl for later use. Now, in a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it sputters. Then add 1.5 teaspoon Urad Dal. Fry it until it becomes light golden color. Then keep it low flame and add 2 dry red chillies cut into halves, some curry leaves, and mix it well. Cook for just 20 seconds. Now add 1 chopped raw banana, half teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon water. Close the lid and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, open the lid. Add previously grinded mixture to it. Also add 3/4 cup of cooked cowpeas, half teaspoon salt. Again, add 2 tablespoon water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 3 minutes on low flame. Stir it for a minute and remove excess water. After 4 minutes, we can open the lid.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now we can switch off the flame. Our cowpeas banana coconut fry recipe is ready. If we are making in this quantity, we can serve it for 4 portions.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.